In the previous class, I was explaining regarding ATG. Okay, it is the very important one because 15 marks question may come on this ATG. So you be familiar with this ATG. Deductions under a section ATG. In the first category, I told roundabout 22 items. I recorded 22 items. These 22 items, Prime Minister is there, National is there, Africa is there, Armenia, University, National Eminence, then National Foundation is there, okay, Jilla Saksar Samiti, then Chief Minister Maharashtra is there, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister is there, then National Trust for Welfare, okay, national or state blood transfusion, state government word is there, central government, army central welfare, national illness, chief ministers, national sports, then initial government, Gujarat, government of Gujarat is there, tsunami fund is there, then national children fund is there, Swachh Bharat is there, central government, then clean Ganga fund, central government is there, okay, national fund for control of drugs abuse. These are the 22 points. In these 22 points, in one way or another way, there is a word national, central or international. Okay, wording is there. You don't buy at all these 22 points. I'm unable, I'm helpless to buy at this. I'm not having the memory power of that. Okay, and these are the 22 donations. In these 22 donations, wording comes government or national, state, or international level. Okay, if these wordings are there, you go through these points repeatedly. If you see this type of points, if you saw this type of points, you take under the point number 1 to 22, and 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, these are the points 23, 24, 25, 26. How to remember these 4 points? In these 4 points, remember first Jawaharlal Nehru, second Indira Gandhi, third Rajiv Gandhi. These 3 words are there. Okay, these 3 words are there. Remember these 3 words. And along with these, drop relief fund, drop word. Your naak moor mandi, Ajja, Magalu, Mammagalu. You moor mandi esuru, drop on the Nenupituguri. 26 points. How to remember these 26 points? In this way, you remember. First 22 points covers national, international, state, or the government word. And repeatedly you go through these points. Every day you see the point and read the points. You don't go to by at this. 22 points. And remaining 4 points. Jawaharlal Nehru, his daughter Indira Gandhi's son Rajiv Gandhi, and drought relief fund. These 4 points you remember. Okay, these are the 26 points. In this way, you remember these 26 points. And second category are, here I recorded, I misspelled, it is third, I'll take it second category. Second category, donations with limit. These donations, second category donations are having certain limit. They are having certain limit. I'll explain this. In the first point, it is a lengthy one. You make it short. This is the donation given to promotion of family planning. Only you remember this. You remember only the point, that is Promotion of family planning for the purpose of promoting family planning. This is the point you remember. Promotion of family planning is the first point. Donation given to promotion of family planning. It may be given for the central, state, district, any association or any institute, anywhere. Only thing you remember, donation to promotion of family planning. This is the point. And its qualification amount calculation differs. I'll tell you afterwards. And it comes under the 100% deduction. Whatever amount you gives, that amount is fully deductible. Amount is fully deductible only when it is qualified. Qualified amount you have to calculate, that qualified amount fully deductible. That is the point you remember. In the second point, you remember Olympic Association. Olympic Association or development of games and sports. You remember this. Only Olympic games. And this calculation is also different and it comes under the 100% deduction. The second point, Olympics. Okay. Come to the third point. Third point is donation to corporate setup for the minority community. Minority community. Minority community is the third point. You remember. Third point, minority community. Donation to a corporation set up by the minority community development. And fourth point is, oh, sorry, I jumped, leaving one slide. The third point is the donations to the government local authority for other than family planning purpose. Other than family planning purpose. First point is family planning purpose. Third point is other than family planning purpose. Second point is minority community. Minority community. And fourth point is religious purpose. Religious purpose means Hindus for temple, Muslims for mosque, Sikh for Gurudwara, then Christian for church, and any other notified places. That place or that temple is to be notified by the income tax department. Remember this. And here you remember temple, mosque, Gurudwara, church. Okay. And historical places. Historical, archaeological or artistic places. Simply remember temple, mosque, Gurudwara, church. Okay. These points you remember. First point, family planning. Second point, minority community. Third point, other than family planning. Fourth point, temple, Gurudwara, etc. Okay. Then fifth point is donation to minority community. Donation to minority community. Okay. And sixth point is donation to educational institution. Donation to educational institution means it is maybe charitable institution or any other institution. Donation to educational institution. And last point is donation to development of housing board, development of housing board, accommodation of housing needs, planning cities, houses, etc. Okay, these are the A to G point. A to G point. A is promotion of family planning. B is Olympic game. C point is other than promotion of family planning. C, and D is related with mosque, gurudwara and church, etc. D point. E point is relating to minority community. F is relating to educational institution. G is related to housing board. Okay. These are the G point. Okay. These are the donations. And it is better to remember these points. Okay. So you remember point number 1 to 22 based on national, international, state or government wording. Government wording 1 to 22. 23, 24, 25, 26, you remember on the basis of Jawaharlal, Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi and Trump. 26 points clear. And these A to G points, remember, first is promotion of family planning. That point comes in each and every problem. Remember this. Promotion of family planning point comes in each and every problem. And second is Olympic game. Second is Olympic game. And third is other than promotion of family planning. That point is rare. Other than promotion of family planning point is rare. Okay. And next fourth point is D point. D point is relating to your religion. Mandir, masjid, church, gurudwara, donation. That must be approved by income tax department. Okay. Thereafter, fifth point is relating to minority community. E point minority community. F is educational institution. G is relating to development of city and rural. Okay, these are the points. In this way you remember. In this way you remember. The next point, how to compute the deduction under section 80G. This is the general theory. These are the points coming under the 80G. And my dear students, remember, the donation should be made in the form of cash. Donation made in the form of kind is not allowed. Donation made in the form of kind is not allowed. Food grains distributed, then clothing distributed, any item distributed, all those donations will not be eligible for deduction. Will not be allowable for deduction. You remember this point. Okay. Then come to the calculation of ATG. Calculation of ATG. Computation of ATG. How to compute ATG? Okay. You see this note. Rules to calculate deduction under section 80G. Qualify amount first you have to calculate. First you calculate qualify amount. In the qualify amount you have to deduct. Okay. ATG. And or 10% of adjusted gross total income. Whichever is less. Qualify amount or 10% of adjusted GTI, whichever is less is eligible. Under second category, remember this point. First category fully qualified. First category 1 to 26 points. 1 to 26 points are fully qualified. And regarding second category, A to G, A to G points, A to G point donations are restricted. What is the restriction? The total amount donated or 10% of adjusted GTI. 10% of adjusted GTI, whichever is less is qualified. First you have to calculate qualify amount. This is the point you remember. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋ. 26 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದಾವು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಆಗ್ತಾವು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಒಳಗ ಎ ದಿಂದ ಜಿ ತನಕ ಇದಾವೆ. ಎ ದಿಂದ ಜಿ ತನಕ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಥವಾ 10% ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟೆಡ್ GTI ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. 10% ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ GTI ಯಾವ್ದು ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗ್ತತಿ ಅದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಆಗ್ತತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ you have to deduct 100% deductible donations. Then whatever balance remains, in the balance 50% is allowable deduction. This is the point you remember. And one more point here is the 10% of adjusted GTI. What is 10% of adjusted GTI? How to calculate 10% of adjusted GTI? Okay, so in this case, adjusted GTI. Adjusted GTI means you take gross total income. Gross total income you take. Gross total income you take. In the gross total income, in the gross total you take gross total income. In the gross total income you have to deduct 3 less number 1 capital gain. Capital gains, long term and short term. First is capital gain. Second is share of association of person or body of individuals. This is the second point. Okay, this is the second point. And third is all other deductions. Except ATG. Except ATG. Except ATG. These 3 points you deduct. GTI is not transparent. So once again, I'll record here. Okay, in the gross total income, you deduct 3 items. capital gains, short term and long term, share from association of person or body of individuals, and all other deductions except ATG. You deduct 3, whatever balance comes, that is called as adjusted gross total income. Adjusted gross total income. Okay, this is the point you remember regarding second category. In the first category, 26 items are there. All the 26 items are 100% qualified. 100% qualified. Whatever amount is there, you take. But regarding the second category, A to G. A to G point donation total you take, and thereafter you take the 10% of adjusted GTI. 10% of adjusted GTI. Adjusted GTI means gross total income minus 3 items. Minus 3 items means capital gain, share of association of person, other deductions except ATG. Okay. Whatever balance is there, that is adjusted GTI. 10% of adjusted GTI, whichever is less. That is the point. Qualify amount. After taking the qualify amount, you give the deduction. Deductions are 2 types. One is 100% deduction, another is 50% deduction. Okay. And I don't know what you are thinking. You see the table. I'll explain the table. If you are having doubt regarding the table, you can discuss with me. You see the computation of deduction under section 80G for the assessment year 2020-21. This table is important. Okay. How to remember the items? I have given certain clue. Otherwise, you remember the points according to your own skill and your own techniques. I told my technique. If you are having other techniques, you follow them. Okay. So this is the table. Particular, here are the 2 amount columns. You see this table, particular amount. Okay. First 100% qualified donations. First 100% qualify amount donations. You take 100% qualify amount. Simply you see this table. What to do? You take all the items now from number 1 to 26. If in the given problem, items given number 1 to 26, if the items are relating to number 1 to 26, you write in the outer column. Okay. You take one by one. That may be donation, that may be Africa fund, that may be Armenia earthquake fund, state chief minister's fund, then it may be relating to Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajiv Gandhi, whatever may be. You write the particular name of the donation and write the amount in the outer column. You write the name of the item, name of the donation in the particular column and write the amount in the outer column. Okay. How many amounts comes here? 1 to 26 amounts comes in the outer column. If all items are given in the problem. If all items are given in the problem, you write the name of the donation and write the amount in the outer column. 26 items comes in the outer column. Remember this. Okay. And after completing 1 to 26 items, then you go to second category items. Second category items. Once you complete the item number 1 to 26, or you may write directly or individually. I'll solve the problem. You will get it clarified. Okay. 1 to 26 items, write in the outer column. Any doubt? 1 to 26 items, you write in the outer column. After writing in the outer column, then you write item number A to G. A to G in this inner column, not in the outer column. You write in the inner column. A to G means promotion of family planning, Indian Olympic Games. Then third is other than promotion of family planning. Fourth is Gurudwara. Fifth is minority community. Then sixth is educational institution. Seventh is housing board, housing development. Okay. All these 6 items, A to G, you write in the inner column. Okay. You write in the inner column and take the total. If there are more than one, you take the total in the inner column. After writing these second category items in the inner column, you take 10% of adjusted gross total income. You calculate 10% of adjusted gross total income. You see this. All 26 items goes to outer column. All first 26 items goes to outer column. And A to G point comes in the inner column. Comes in the inner column. You take that total in the inner column. Then you take 10% of adjusted gross total income. Adjusted gross total income means GTI minus 3 items. 10% of that you take. Then whichever is less of these two, you take to the outer column. This is the point you remember. This is the point. All 26 items in the outer column, 1 to 26, A to G column, A to G item, inner column. Then take 10% of adjusted GTI. Whichever is less of these two, take to the outer column. Then next you take the total of the outer column. Total of the outer column is called as qualify amount. Total of the outer column is called as qualify amount. Qualify amount. Okay. In the qualify amount, this is qualified amount. Then next is deduction. Second part is deduction. This part is regarding calculation of qualify amount. Is ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ qualify amount calculate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ಹೆಂಗ್ calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1 to 26 ಐಟಮ್ಗಳು ಯಾವುದು ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ದಂಡಿಗೆ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಆಂತರ A ದಿಂದ G ತನಕ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಅವನು ಇನ್ನರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ದಾಗ ಬರೆದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ 10% ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟೆಡ್ GTI ತಗೋರಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಯಾವ ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗ್ತತಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಔಟರ್ ಕೊಯ್ರಿ. ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ, ಆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ठीक है. टोटल क्वालिफाई अमाउंट बन अंतर, then you have to take the deduction. 100% deduction out of this qualify amount. Out of this qualify amount, you deduct 100% deduction amounts. What are those 100% deduction amounts? Okay. You see here, item number 1 to 22. Item number 1 to 22, you have to take here. 1 to 22. In first category, 26 items are there. In first category, 26 items are there. Out of 26 items, you take 1 to 22. 1 to 22. Okay. Then item number A and B in the second category. Second category, A and B items. You hang to 22 item hang by put manu ante ನೀವು 22 item by put ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಬರೀ 4 item by put ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾವ 4? 1 to 26 ಅಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಆ 4 ಐಟಮ್ ಯಾವ ಹೇಳಿನಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಜವಾಹರಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು, ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ, ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್. ಈ 4 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ 26 ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವು, 4 ಐಟಮ್ ನೀವು ಬಿಟ್ಟುಕೋರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆ 4 ಐಟಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದು 1 ರಿಂದ 22 ಐಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಬೈಪಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 4 ಐಟಮ್ ಬೈಪಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ನ್ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. 4 ಐಟಮ್ ಬೈಪಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ. 1 to 22 ಐಟಮ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಾವ. 1 to 22 ಐಟಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಎ ಟು ಜಿ ಏನದವಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರಾಗಿಂದ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಎರಡು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ನನ್ ಕುಳಿತಾವ. ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ ಗೇಮ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದಾವ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಡಕ್. ಇವೆರಡು ನೆನ್ಪು. ಇವು 2 ಐಟಮು. ಆ ನಂತರ 1 ರಿಂದ 22 ಐಟಮ್ ಬಾಯ್ಪಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ತಗೋರತ್ರದ. ಅದ್ರ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಯಾವ್ದಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 23, 24, 25, 26. 23, 24, 25, 26 ಐಟಮ್ ಯಾವ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು, ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ, ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್. ಈ 4 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, 4 ಐಟಮ್ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಉಳಿದು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬರೀರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ 2 ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ ಗೇಮ್. ಇವೆರಡು ಬರೀರಿ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಔಟರ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್. 100% ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ 1 to 22 plus A and B. You take the right in the inner column and same amount right in the outer column. Total you write in the outer column and deduct in the outer column. Deduct in the outer column. Out of total qualify amount, you deduct the 100% deductions. This remaining is called as remaining or balance qualify amount. Balance of qualify amount comes. Okay, so in the balance you take 50%. 50% of balance of qualify amount you take in the inner column. You take in the inner column. So then you take the inner column total. Inner column total you take. This inner column total is called as deductions under section 80G. Amount of deduction under section 80G. 100% deduction, 50% deduction. Total deduction is this. This is the method of calculating 80G. This is the method of calculating 80G. ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ 1 ಬಿಟ್ 10 ಸಲ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ಈಜಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 1-2-3 ಸಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಜಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So time is ordering me to leave the class. So today's class is over. We'll